probably stuck. Hi, Tommy. That we had. It took us till 2020. I like to do
the best question.
You hop it, skip it, skip it, jump it. That's how you get stuck. Woo. So what do you guys think? Well, guys, we are buried. It ain't making it out this time. Tommy over there is gonna go get the truck so he can get me out. I think we buried this enough. JT and I were over here a couple of weeks ago. And I'm soaked, I'm muddy. I wasn't expecting to get this muddy, but you know, it is what it is. Good thing I put my bad jacket on. So we're gonna have to go winch ourselves out here, and that's what's gonna happen. I could try and go to that tree, but again, I don't think that winch is long enough to make it to that tree. So anyway, Tommy over there is going to go get the truck and see what happens. Just to give you guys another perspective, you know, I haven't really updated the tires on this thing. As you can see, they're very flat. I bet you an XMR would make it through here no problem, but I'm talking to a guy that has shit tires. And I'm almost there too. Like, look how much I have left to go. I made it through majority of it. So, still waiting on Tommy to bring the truck. F-150 to the rescue. Keep coming. And right there's good. Right there's good. Right there. That's a nice ride you got there, buddy. I'm coming. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. All right, good. Let's see. I think we're gonna try and axe up here, maybe. There we go. All right, here. Film that.
You shouldn't have to move. I'm just gonna let myself out.
Good. Oh, shit. God damn it. Can we back up in the truck? Oh. Should be able to get out, but we'll see. All right, you go ahead and back the truck up. All right, here, film me getting out. See if I can even get out. Woo! F-150 to the rescue. Thank you there, Tommy Clark.
What do you want me to do?
Well, there you go, guys. Unstuck by the F-150. Okay, that's it. That's how you be a Tommy and you get stuck. Right, boys.
Jesus Christ, you almost hit that ram.
That's why he's got no tires left.
Dude, his tread's like fucking gone.
Yeah. All right, JT. So post game update. How'd that go?
Fucking off.
How'd that go? You got no tread left, brother. I'm backing the fuck up. That needs to be louder. Too quiet. Look, Tommy, look where we are. We're underneath a development house by the Barney field that they built here.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna put this on my storage. Got it ready?
Look, Tommy, look where we are, Tommy. We're in my new
We gotta get out, Tommy. Holy shit.
Tommy House update 1. Only a basement. We were just there, and this is the foundation.
Tommy was able to afford a house.
Got the pieces of it here. So Tommy, this is a,
I spit on it, Tommy.
so this seems to be the first floor of the house currently being constructed. And that's about it. This is episode 1. We were down in the basement. We were being Tommy's down there. We were down there. Eek. I'm guessing this is where the front door is going to be. That's where the front door is. And we got Winter Barney in the distance. There's Winter Barney. So these guys' backyard will be viewing of a Winter Barney.
Alright, square one, so 2 squares, walk into a bar, and there's a female square, but she has a really fat friend. So then the friend went up to the fat girl, and the other friend that went to the skinny one, and they had a 4-way, but then the fat girl got really bad, so then she pushed her skinny friend away and had sex against her will with 2 of the guys and said that she wants pleasure, but then she ended up dying because she got inked out so much that the ink ended up going down her throat, technically killing her because she couldn't breathe in the water, and then her friend then got fucked by those 2 squares and inked out, and then she died, and then the both guys fucked their corpses, and then they fed it to a shark.
Wow!